I'm Jim, and this is my fearless mountain dog Frito. I survived 2 major heart attacks and a debilitating stroke that has left my right side permanently numb and difficult to control. Frito is a rejected stray street dog who I rescued from the pound. We have challenged ourselves to a adventurous life living off-grid on a mountaintop. We hope to prove that we may be broken, but we are not beaten. Please join us on our off-grid adventures. It's snowing and raining. Sideways. Still flurries on the windows. Me? Nice and toasty, thanks to my heater. It's starting to come down. And sticking. Snowflakes are getting bigger. It's coming down. It's starting to stick. Might get some snow next week too. want to go inside? Is that what you're trying to tell me? You want to go inside? He says, Dad, I want to go inside. It's freezing. Okay. It's snowing on Frito. Poor Frito getting snowed on. He says, I want to go in. Screw this, Dad. You gotta go potty, Frito. Look at this. Probably wake up to some snow tomorrow. You want to go in, huh? You want to hold it till tomorrow? You didn't go potty. Now I'm not going back out again. He's got a cast iron bladder.